Hello and welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be a shadow wrap to unwrap with a little free spin at the end. Now what's going to happen though on this particular step is that it's going to challenge the leaders. And the reason I say that is because you're going to change your footwork to match your partners, okay? Going into the wrap and coming out of the wrap. So let's get started with this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Now you notice I counted out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to count it out with the syncopated feel, the changing of footwork for the gentleman. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to see that, kind of that and count put in place so that we can understand from a leader standpoint what we need to do with the footwork to match the sound. Okay, so ladies, bear with us. So here we go. Same position, okay? Now for the guys' footwork. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Now, gentlemen, just a reminder, remember, I'm stepping, and I'm stepping with a side together side feel, so that's what I'm doing. Remember that, okay? Go back to your private lesson style videos to get more detail on this, okay? Here we go. From this angle, regular timing, okay? Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. So one more time. This time it counts for the leader. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Excellent. Okay, remember, go back, rewind as much as you need to. Practice, 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 together or apart. Enjoy, have fun.